welcome back to my channel. My name is ARA. I am so excited for you guys to join me today. I bring you this gorgeous little fairy look. It was supposed to be the sugar plum fairy, but when I was doing the hair, that did not happen. Speaking of the hair, I'm actually going to be coming out with a video teaching you guys how to do this look. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video coming out. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for that. But yeah, so today I'm teaching you how to do this makeup. She's very ethereal. She's very woodland. She's a fairy. She's gorgeous. She's stunning. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how to recreate this look, then just stay tuned and let's head on over to the transformation station. Do not be scared, I promise. It'll look fine in the end. Yes, I don't have eyebrows right now. It'll be fine. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. I'm going to take a giant fluffy blush brush and we're just gonna go right into it. I'm going to take like a little baby pink shade and we're gonna start just buffing that into the side of the face. I'm gonna mix it in with a little bit of a hot pink just because my skin needs more color than that. She does it for everything because she is everything. You like my little rat? I feel like Jackie Aina today. You know when she was going through her little pastel hair phase? That's what I feel like. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. You know what's sad? I don't know if they're gonna be able to hear you anymore. With this microphone. I hope so. That's a whole important part of the video. It's what makes our videos different, is that they can hear what you have to say, which was not supposed to be the plan in the beginning. Yeah. Oh, by the way, didn't reference it yet. My skin looks horrible today. My skin hates me today. It was fine this morning when I woke up. Perfectly fine. All day of wearing a mask, my face started to like itch during the day, and I guess I didn't notice how much I was like rubbing my face. We're gonna get over it. You're gonna pretend like it's not there because Facetune exists. My Instagram does not know that this is what my face looks like. Don't tell them. No problem. Why? Because you do. What problem? My skin? I know. No. You have to rub it in like that. What do you think Sam and I are always quoting when we're like, but whenever we say, you said it, yeah, but you were thinking it. Duh. Oh my God, I can't believe you said that. I can't believe you were thinking it. Yes, very that. So all I'm doing is just adding more and more pink until it's as bright as I want it to be. That's literally all I'm doing. And I want to keep the brightness as close to the eye as possible, and then we'll just blur it out from there. We're going for this very editorial fairy look today. Y'all wait till y'all see my hair that I made. Oh, well, no, you've already seen it because of the intro. Just using a different shade of pink. Yep. Harry Potter has got to die. No, J.K. Rowling is. I'm a Harry Potter fan, not a J.K. Rowling fan.
Because she's a rotted bitch.
Neon pink. You're, okay. No, hey. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this little tulip shaped brush. I'm gonna do the same thing just on the inner corner, just to, no I'm not. I'm gonna take a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna take this really pretty, kind of like the blue in the background color. We're just gonna apply that to the inner corner. And we're gonna kind of bring it down the nose bridge just a little bit. Yeah, we're using this light blue almost as if like, we were gonna contour our nose, but we're not, because you don't need it. Because she's just that gorgeous. Ooh. not the synthetic. So yeah, we're just bringing that inner corner as if we were about to contour the nose, bring it down just a little bit, and then we're gonna stop. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. Oh. Yes, it will. You're welcome. I'm gonna take a darker blue because I'm gonna get away from this conversation. And we are just going to deepen that up just a little bit, just so it's more prominent of a blue. I really wish somebody would recreate this look because I think this is gonna be a good look. So now I'm going to go in with a different brush to make sure that I'm not using blue. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of purple, and we're gonna start to create a halo eye on this. So the term halo eye comes because we are applying dark all around here, and then just in the middle, we'll create almost like a halo effect with the color. Oh yeah, you're old. You heard that, Angela? You have to put that in. You have to put that in. Oh, I'm gonna be so mad if you don't put that in there. Oh, if you don't put that in, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, you have to put that in. I really hope this microphone picked that up. If it didn't, what Capri just said was silence. Oh, did you stop? Did it? So now I'm just mixing a tiny bit of black in with that purple, just to deepen it up a little bit, because we're what? Not afraid of the black. So now I'm going to do the same thing that I did on that outer corner. I'm going to do that on the inner corner so we can start to create that halo shape. Blending, blending. So, y'all know my favorite little brush is this little silicone. What is this, a brush? Tool? We'll go with that word. I'm now going to use this tool and a gold pressed glitter, and we're going to press this gold into the center of the lid. This is what's going to give us our pixie eyes. So just to be more editorial, because like, why not? I'm actually gonna take this gold and I'm gonna bring it all the way up through where our brow would usually be, so it's all glitter, because I'm fancy. Luckily, my nail fell off on this finger, so I'm gonna use that finger to press some gold up onto my eyebrow. It did. It's gone. Now time to do it on the other side. Just so y'all know, this is not my hair. I don't wear hard fronts. It's her hair. I just didn't want to glue down a wig today because I didn't want to mess up my makeup. So now, I'm gonna add a little bit more pink to my forehead. Oh yeah, no, she's gonna have pink in the middle. I just wasn't good. I would not do pink in the middle. No, but I like it. I love blushing the nose. It's one of my favorite things to do. We're gonna start miking you. and me, just so they can hear you better. Now I'm gonna go in with that purple and black from earlier, and we're gonna do that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to, no, I don't want to do that. Oh yes, I do. I'm now going to go in with that same tool from earlier and just a little iridescent white shade. Oh, an iridescent white shade. Now I'm gonna grab that tulip brush. And I think I'm gonna pick up, I literally have like a few of my, like a bunch of my palettes out right now. And I'm just like playing in all of them all at once. I'm gonna take a little bit of like a pink purple duochrome metallic shade. I'm gonna use that up here to start the highlight. I am not a cat. Don't be rude to cats. Today. I'm not a cat today. Got it.
Episode 2.
Oh, I was. Oh, you're trying to be cute. Call back. I was a cat. Episode 2. Go back and link in the description. Catwoman. Cute intro. Sickening intro. If you don't watch the whole video, at least watch the intro. And then give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. And after you're done with this video, you're gonna go and watch another one of my videos. Why not just subscribe so you can know when they're going to come to you instead of always coming back to my page every week? You don't have to do all that if you just subscribe. It would be in your subscription box. I'm just highlighting all my usual areas, like the cheekbones, the upper lip, the nose, the other cheekbone. Like when I tell y'all this is going to be such an easy look to do, that's why I better see at least 3 recreations on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna apply some mascara now. I like this. I think this is cute. Duh. Just to make the eyes a bit more fairy-like, however, I'm gonna go in with a detailed brush and I'm going to draw on some fake bottom lashes. Yes, there was so much. Ooh, posture. Be a lady. That's how women in movies sound when they cry. I was like, because I'm not putting on lashes today because I want this like ethereal moment. So yeah, we're gonna leave it there. I'm gonna use a detailed brush and I'm going to outline my lips, and we're just gonna do a nude lip today. Just because everything else is so much, you want the lips to be their own moment. So we're gonna do a nude lip. And I'm kind of making my lips, I have big lips, but I'm making them a little bit smaller than usual. Now I'm just gonna apply a nude lipstick and yeah. I'm gonna take some pink eyeshadow and I'm gonna put that into the center of my lip. Just to get, yeah, that's pretty. Oh my God, I'm so talented. I'm gonna start applying some eyelash glue just sporadically throughout my face and putting rhinestones on it. Do that. We're going to make the rhinestones start more here and then spread out. That's the really only help I can give you. Just glue things to your face. On my resume, I used to put, I could do beauty makeup, I could do special effects, and I could do fantasy makeup. This would fall under fantasy. Not my fingernail getting stuck to the eyelash glue. That's how you know it works, ma'am. RuPaul, I think you know sometimes a diva has to do things on her own. Literally, this section is just looking at your face and seeing where you want to put more things. So you put more things. We're soaring, flying. Copyright makes it so that I can't sing. Think about what you're trying to do to me. You're welcome. Okay guys, and that is it for the makeup. So like I said, it's a real simple, real easy look. This would be great for Halloween if anybody wants to do this look. Yeah, so on that note, let's go ahead and transform. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the finished look. Once again, if you want to see how to get this hair, make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned for that video coming out soon. And let me know if you guys want to see more wig videos, because I'll definitely make them. I love styling hair. I love doing all the things. All the feminine things. I hope that you really love this look. I've got my wings on, my custom wings. I've got my dress, I got my gloves, and I'm just, oh, she's feeling the fantasy. You can't tell her nothing, but you can tell her how gorgeous she looks by going down below and commenting in the comment section. You can hit the little thumbs up button too while you're at it. Be real cute. Yeah, but that'll be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at ARA_vanity. Make sure that you make a TikTok and like tag me in TikToks and I'll react to you. My TikTok is also ARA_vanity, and I hope to see you over there as well. And on that note, I think that's it for today's video. So till next time, bye.